I don't like no cat. I know you don't. You ain't hit none of them blunts out there the other night. You sweet. That shit'll bust your heart. That shit'll, you know what I mean?
Resurgence. Survive to redeploy forward teammate. Kill to bring it back.
That shit'll drop you. Alright. Man, I just took a shot at Tequila, now I'm on bullshit. Ah! Arr! Arr!
Up, enemy dropping into the AO.
Yeah, bitch.
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Target down. Marking the rest. Up, right.
Bitch ass nigga. That's for playing with me. Hold up. I'm coming. Yo, they just scared me, bro. They know I just killed them with that.
Loading new mag. Back in the AO.
Go get your revenge. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
Give me that shit.
Reloading.
Here they come. Bitch. They was shooting us through that window.
Enemy UAV overhead. You have reinforcements inbound. Get to the safe zone.
They throwing shit out. They got bombs and shit out.
Enemies rearming.
I'm not going for that, bro.
Eyes on shock charge. Under fire.
Enemy UAV is online. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Inserting additional armor.
I got something for him. Watch this shit right here. This shit.
Your squad mate's back on
Watch
station.
this shit right here. This shit awesome.
Upright.
I'll fly. I'll fly. Yeah, I'm gonna kill you with this bitch.
Taking mags.
Yo, he's fucking cheating, yo. The transformer nigga downstairs, bro. Get yo.
Supply box is marked. Secure those locations.
Go get yo, bro.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
I'm putting money. I got bag on his head. Fuck that.
Back on mission.
Oh, he lucky the gas pushing us away, bro. Telling you.
Supply box down. 2 remain.
I'm gonna get this wire and load out. This Draco and this switch. I got a wire and load out, yo. Back away from me. It's rapid fire on both of these bitches. I got rapid fire on them. Yo, where they at, yo? Just don't say nothing, yo. Just tell me where they at. That's where they at. See that.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I ain't never been no sucker. Never been no sucker. Yeah, I'm over here. These niggas bitches. These niggas bitches. These niggas bitches. Yeah, what's up?
Hunt down the rest of them.
Rat fire on this bitch. What's up? Where they at? They upstairs, man. I'm going up here. I'm not scared of nothing. What's up, my nigga? I got you down. I got you down in that bitch. Like, come on now, I'm rocking out right now. Fuck is you saying? I'm rocking out right now, bro. See my kills, bro. I'm amped up right now. You got 3-2, alright, bet. I'm amped up right now, bro. It's early.
Head to the safe zone.
I'm landing loaded too. Fuck these niggas.
Get ready. You're redeploying.
Niggas is bitches. These niggas want to act like they dumb. Put that iron on one of them. I went over there with a YN Lord out. Man, niggas, I'm getting it back. Oh, yeah.
Takes more than that to finish me.
Bat with it, y'all know. They can't bat with this one. Man, what's up?
Supply cache
As soon as a nigga
locations
see that, I'm over here.
We lost that contract.
What's up? Nigga said what?
Hostile support. Reloading.
Sit bitch ass down, pussy. You a bitch. I got one down. Bro, Yo. This shit on film, yo. I never lose when I got that bitch in my hand. I never lose, yo. I never lose a fight.
Buy station prices have been reduced.
I never lost a fight, niggas B. I never lost a fight. I never lost a fight with that KSV or that bully.
Squads active in the field.
It's impossible. I'm unstoppable. I'm a man. I'm a monster. There's no one that compared to me.
Precision airstrike ready for task.
He said, I want your heart. I eat your children.
Enemy UAV is online.
Put them niggas up there, yo.
Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six.
Alright, I'm getting my shit back, man. Watch this.
You have reinforcements inbound.
He fucked up letting me get that gun back. If I get this rapid fire KSV back, I'm telling you. Get this fucking rapid fire.
Need it back.
Soldier squad is outside
Shit,
the
I'm
safe
hit.
zone.
Need a hand here.
I'm down, bro. I just downed myself on some fluky shit. Trying to hit the bar station. Oh shit. You ready to get walked on. Call the lady, pick up that, put that right in front of you and hold it down.
Fire sales over. Adjusting prices.
Open that. Open that, yeah. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Get with him, get with Green, get with Green. You got an airstrike and all that over there.
Requesting close air support.
Niggas running down on y'all at Harbor.
Back in the AO.
Yeah, that's that gun. That's that new gun. That's the new AR. Yeah, that's that new AR.
Supply crates have been restocked. Load up.
Yeah, yeah. They put a new version of that same STB that used to be on. Yeah. Yo.
Squad made it to the safe zone. Gas is closing in. Hostile UAV in the area.
Under fire! Changing mags. Inserting additional armor.
Uh-oh. I got a nail gun. Nail gun or the switch. I'm gonna go nail gun. I'm gonna go nail gun on him. Hey, we got niggas coming from the prison right here.
Indicated location. Switching mags.
Oh,
4 remaining. 5 squads still operational in the AO.
oh, you.
Be advised, you still have squad mates outside the safe zone. Enemy soldier incoming.
Changing mags.
Bro, I'm like that.
3 squads left in the war zone. Stay alert.
Oh, it's one under me.
Only 2 left.
Bitch. Stepping right now. Where he at? Nail gun kill. I'm fucking putting this on YouTube, nigga. 10-piece, nigga. Fuck. Look at this shit, yo. Gayaka. Stop playing with me. Fuck is he talking about? I got all type of shit I pick up. I know what to use. I know what to do with it. Fuck. Fucking tweaking, man. This shit, man. Time stamp, 50 minutes, man. At 50 minutes, we got a dub. Time stamp that, man. Somebody had a donut, though. Somebody had a donut, though. You mean? I'll be putting niggas in that fire. Niggas gotta be with me. Bro, you just seen that what I just did, bro? Lonto, you would have never just got that kill like that, bro. You don't use no nail guns, bro. I picked that up, bro, for artillery, bro. Cause I'm like that. Bro, hell nah. I missed probably 20% of my shots, dummy. I missed, dummy. No bat, bro.
We're headed to the
That's the only amount of shots I missed, bro.